Come today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways how we can do that. And the first one, you should just go into the settings application and then tap here on the appearance section. Here you'll see the wallpaper, tap there, and as can you see here we got some folders with our album, so our photos or images from our device previously downloaded, I think, the live wallpapers, the photos from our device, and Xperia default wallpapers. So first time we'll use the default one. So now just we want to change our lock screen, and we can change one from these default wallpapers. So I'll go with this one, for example, and now just tap here to select. And now we'll check. Oh, sorry, I just forget to click to apply. We'll go with this one or with another one. We want to change only lock screen. So tap here to select and tap to apply. And now, as can you see, we got here the new lock screen wallpaper on our lock screen. And the second way how we can do that, we just should hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the wallpapers icon. Just tap there, and by the same way you can select one for wallpaper from your default or from the photos on your device. Well, for example, we'll go with this one, and now just tap here, but we'll go with the we'll go with another one, for example with this one. Just tap here to set wallpaper, and we want to change the lock screen. And now we'll check. As can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper on our SONY Xperia device. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.